Hello guys, in the last video we have talked about the trading strategy in consolidation. This tactic will help you to gain the short-term trading profits. In today's video, we will discuss the most reputed inflation TA indicator, Parabolic SAR. Subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and don't forget to smash that bell button to follow our future updates. Before we begin today's video, let's look at the table of content. As usual, we will focus on three areas. The first is to discover the meaning of Parabolic SAR. Then, we will use our KuCoin trading system to try using this indicator. Last, I will support you with practical technical strategies by analyzing Bitcoin's quotation. Parabolic SAR is the abbreviation of parabolic stop and reverse. As the name suggests, Parabolic SAR has two functions of revealing the stop of the current market trend and the reverse for the future market trend. In addition, the reason why we define Parabolic SAR as the most efficient technical indicator is that it performs best in primary trend. Specifically, Parabolic SAR can give you the stop-loss price and a breakout trading entry price. We will discuss it in detail in next slide. Instead, Parabolic SAR is invalid in consolidation. Let's watch this video. I will clarify this indicator by showing the chart. Seeing BTC quotation, you will find the Parabolic SAR is in the momentum series indicators and apply it to the candlestick chart of BTC. After editing the color of Parabolic SAR chart, you will see a series of points moving around the candlestick chart. Sometimes a dotted line is below the candlestick chart and sometimes the dotted line is just above the candlestick chart, which is how the Parabolic SAR shows the stop and the reverse of the current market trend. Normally, this would be a bullish trend if the dotted line is below the candlestick chart. However, if the dotted line is above the candlestick chart, it would be a bearish trend. In this way, the end of dotted line below the candlestick chart is a stop to bullish trend. Instead, the end of dotted line above the candlestick chart is a stop to bearish trend. Also, the start of the dotted line above or below the candlestick chart would be a switch of current market trend. Moreover, distance between the dotted line and the candlestick chart can show the possibility of switching. The closer the dotted line and the candlestick chart will become, the higher possibly the current market trend will change. So let us discuss about the strategies that we can use from Parabolic SAR. Firstly, as Parabolic SAR is inefficient in consolidation, so we must identify the primary trend by using the moving average across all the high points and low points from Dow theory that we have talked about before. In addition, I intend to bring you two strategies in terms of the stop price and the reverse entry price. For the stop price, if we have defined one trend, let's say bullish trend, then we will find that the distance between the dotted line and the candlestick chart is deteriorated. Then the last point of the dotted line is the stop price to take the profits. For the reverse entry price, normally the switch point of the dotted line is the reverse entry price. However, you can never enter the market at the optimum price. In this way, I recommend you guys enter the market by the close price of the target candlestick. What is more, if you enter the market by mistakenly analyzing the market trend, my advice for this situation is to set the reverse as the stop-loss price, or as we mentioned before, the close price of the former candlestick. Now we can roughly calculate how many market movement we can grab. We can clearly see a high possibility of winning from this 2 months. Now, before we end this video, I intend to make a quick recap. From this video, we have figured out 3 topics. Firstly, we have talked about the definition of Parabolic SAR and its 2 functions. Then we have discussed this Newton's advantages and disadvantages. Afterward, we have applied this Newton to the KuCoin trading interface to practice 2 strategies to call or to short. We also talk about to set stop loss price if we unfortunately encounter the consolidation. Now that is all for today's video. Please give us some comments if you have different ideas about today's content. We will come back to analyze candlestick patterns in the next session, but in a whole figure. Happy learning and trading in KuCoin. See you next time.